Hey girl, hey, I am back. We are going to be doing our nails today yet again, okay? This time, I'm going to be using these nails from Temu and this glue, and it comes with this remover as well. So this glue is quick drying without a UV or LED light. Someone in the comments asked me to review this glue, so I'm really excited. Y'all know I love trying new things, and from what I've seen about this, it's less messy than like regular nail glue, and it dries really quickly, and then it's also pretty easy to remove. So I'm really excited. This will be a two-part video. The first one will be reviewing the process of the glue, and the second one will be reviewing the process of the remover. We have this, we have these. I'm going to use my BART box or BTR box, builder gel and gel top coat, because these are just like regular press-on nails, to make these last a little bit longer. So let's see, because this is supposed to last a good amount of time. So we're going to see. So let's do these nails. I've sized my nails and I've cut down my actual nails just a tad bit so the nails fit better and there's no overlay on the side. So now it's time to apply the glue. From what I've seen, you apply it on the inside of the nail. Not too much. This might be too much. You apply it to the nail, you kind of drag it down, push it back up, and hold it in place. Okay, so I held it for 30 seconds. It's kind of on there. It did come up a little bit, so I'm gonna hold it for a little bit longer. It does say no UV lamp required, so let's hope this works, because I actually like how this has no air bubbles in it. Oh, it's on there. I like this. Can y'all see how there's like literally hardly any air bubbles or anything? This is great if you have clear nails that you're trying to put on, you know, where the nail bed is clear. So we're gonna add the glue all the way around, honey. Try to put it in here. Okay, you're gonna place it, drag it down, and push it back up into place. Hold this down. Get rid of that excess, honey. It's not on that side. And just hold into place. I held it for about a minute. Y'all, this looks good. I'm very happy about this. Okay, we're going to try a little less glue because clearly I'm getting it everywhere. Or not. Then we're going to place it, drag it down, push it back. Hold it in place for about a minute. I might have found my new favorite glue, honey. We really need to see how long it lasts, but this application is gorgeous. I'm going to start this hand and then I'll be back to finish this hand. Okay, I'm back with these last two on this hand. Place it, pull it, push it back, pull it down, push it back up. All done. These feel sturdy, honey. So we're going to do the builder gel because these are a little bit thinner of a press-on nail, and then the top coat with the gel, and let's get started. I'm filing the nails because they have more of a squared tip to them than a point. So I'm just kind of rounding them a little bit because I know I'm not going to get them like super stiletto pointy, but we can round them a little bit so they're not square. The first step I'm going to do is the builder gel. Then we're going to do step 2, which is the top coat. Okay, so this side is much shinier than this side. I'm gonna finish this side and I'll be right back. The nails are on. My final thoughts. Love this nail glue down, okay? I have not worn them, but as far as like application and everything, love it down because one, it doesn't set right away. So sometimes my nail be a little off and I need to reset it. This is perfect for that. Okay, I didn't have any of those mishaps today, thank the Lord Jesus Christ, but sometimes I do. And the other nail glue, it be set like in 2.5 seconds, which I also love, but I like that I can actually like move this around if need be. You cannot tell me these are gorgeous. Most of the nails don't have any air bubbles in them. Stunning was this application, okay? So number 2, no air bubbles. Love that down, okay? Especially for nails like this where the nail bed is a little bit more see-through. You need that seamless application, honey, okay? Also, if you get some excess glue on the side, that part does not dry very quickly. So it's very easy to just remove that once the nail is stuck. Now, I will say, if you get any on your finger that you're trying to push down with, might get a little stuck, okay? It will dry very quickly on your fingers. And I do have some on the pads of my fingers from trying to like push everything down. Now, to initially set it, I would definitely use the tip of the nail. Then press down here to get like all of the air bubbles out. Okay? Because we don't want no air bubbles. That's not cute. So press it down, hold it, and you'll be good to go. 10 out of 10 recommend. Now let's see how it wears. Again. Now, one of these nails pop off in an hour, I'm going to let y'all know. Okay, because clearly this video would not have been uploaded by then, but they seem up and stuck. Okay, I am obsessed. I forgot the girl's name who recommended me this, but thank you, girl, because this might be my new favorite nail glue. And like I said earlier, part 2, me removing this nail gel glue, this nail glue. It's just nail glue. It's not a gel. It's nail glue. Will be coming soon once I'm ready to take these off. Pray that they last me long because I really like this set. Per usual, I'll be sure to link everything in the description box below. So I'll link these nails. Like I said, I also got these off of Temu. If I can find them somewhere else, I'll also link them there. And the nail glue, the nail lamp is from Aldi. And I'll see if they have the builder gel and the top coat sold separately from BTR box as well. So, since you've made it this far, you might as well join the tribe of baddies on a budget, honey, and hit that subscribe button and that notification bell so you're the first to be notified every time I post a new video. And you might as well follow me on IG and TikTok. Until next time, girl, watch this video that was picked specifically for you.